Choosing your wedding cake is one of the biggest decisions that you will make while planning your wedding, because it's not actually just about finding a cake that looks beautiful, it's about choosing something your guests will genuinely remember. By the end of this video, you'll know why more and more couples are choosing chocolate biscuit wedding cakes over traditional sponge cakes. From luxurious flavour combinations and elegant handcrafted design to one unexpected benefit that lets you enjoy a slice of your wedding cake months after your celebration has ended. If you're looking for a wedding cake that's every bit as beautiful as it is unforgettable, then let me show you why chocolate biscuit cake might be the perfect choice. There's something beautifully nostalgic about chocolate biscuit cake. For so many of us, it brings back childhood birthdays, family celebrations, and those little moments of sneaking an extra slice from the fridge when nobody was looking. It's comforting, familiar, joyful, but when it's thoughtfully reimagined for a wedding, it becomes something entirely different. Luxurious, elegant, and completely unforgettable. At Love & Cakes, every wedding cake is handcrafted to become more than just a dessert. It's designed to become part of your wedding story, because there's something magical about watching your guests later in the evening after the speeches are over. The dance floor is full and everybody has relaxed, still talking about the cake, not simply because it looked beautiful, but because they genuinely loved eating it. And one of the greatest things about chocolate biscuit cake is that the flavour possibilities are almost endless. Imagine creamy white chocolate pistachio with roasted pistachios folded throughout every bite. Rich milk chocolate orange with deep chocolate notes lifted by fresh citrus. White chocolate raspberry with bursts of sweet raspberry running through every single slice. Dark chocolate caramel, cookies and cream, or a bespoke flavour created especially for you as a couple. Every single cake becomes part dessert, part centrepiece, and part memory. Unlike traditional sponge cakes, chocolate biscuit cake has incredible strength and stability, making it ideal for elegant multi-tier wedding cakes. I've chosen to specialise in two signature styles that perfectly suit both the cake itself and my own design aesthetic. The first is my textured fondant collection. These cakes are covered in beautifully handcrafted fondant with soft organic texture, inspired by nature and handmade artistry. Nothing feels overly polished or manufactured. Instead, every finish has warmth, movement and character, creating a cake that feels truly romantic, timeless and completely at home in a beautifully styled wedding. My second style is my naked chocolate biscuit cake. Finished with a delicate wash of chocolate around the outside, these cakes celebrate the beauty of the biscuit beneath. They have a wonderfully natural, rustic elegance that feels relaxed yet luxurious, making them perfect for couples who love understated beauty. Both styles are designed to work effortlessly alongside faux florals and carefully selected non-edible styling, allowing your cake to become a seamless part of your overall wedding design. Every detail is considered, every cake is handcrafted, and every design is completely personal. One of the biggest advantages of chocolate biscuit cake is something many couples never even think about. It's longevity. Unlike many traditional wedding cakes, you can actually freeze a chocolate biscuit tier for months. Imagine celebrating your first anniversary by taking that carefully wrapped tier from the freezer, cutting into it together, and instantly being transported back to your really special wedding day. The laughter, the music, the excitement. It becomes far more than cake. It becomes part of your memories, and because chocolate biscuit cake is served chilled, it's often enjoyed later in the evening when guests are relaxed, celebrating and ready to indulge. That's the moment I love the most. Watching people take their first bite. Their eyes light up and then quietly make their way back for another slice because it feels wonderfully familiar, yet luxurious enough to become part of the most important days of your life. That's the balance I strive to create with every single wedding cake. beautiful but never intimidating, elegant but always inviting, inspired by nature, handcrafted with care, and designed to become part of the memories you'll treasure for years to come. Because the most unforgettable wedding cakes aren't simply admired, they're remembered long after the last slice has been enjoyed. If you're planning your wedding and you're looking for something a little different from the traditional sponge cake, I'd love to welcome you into my studio and explore what's possible together. Because every unforgettable celebration deserves a cake that's just as memorable as the day itself.